So we're here still messing with this corner cap, and you know, a lot of times this stuff is siliconed up underneath it in place. So Terry's went to go get some other tools. Oh wait, Terry, I'm jiggling it and getting it to walk loose. So go ahead while I jiggle it. We'll see if we can't get it to come loose without breaking it. But it's already starting to crack and stuff. There we go, there we go. Come on, baby. There we are, there we are. So here's, you know, again, Dustin and Terry are RV specialists, and I was talking to you about water and dirt getting in. Look at all that water and dirt that's been getting in here and traveling up underneath this piece, right? And all the sealants before we cut it, because we're taking this apart, looked good. But as you can see, all of that dirt and water. So again, I was talking about making sure that any silicones that you have on the coach, they may give you the illusion that they're sealed when they're really not. It's like a cuticle on a fingernail. So, you know, and they do have to get scraped off, things get tightened up, and, you know, we want to prevent stuff like this from happening. Usually how there's a hole right here on this corner, we usually put holes on those corners intentionally, and sometimes we'll add them across just to let the water that's getting in to drain out. So I'm gonna walk over here to the other side so you can get another example of it. You know, here's this guy right here, right? Well, if you do initial look at it, we haven't touched this one yet. So if you do initial look at it, you go, yeah, everything looks good, but this is shrunk. You can see up here where the decal, I'm pushing the air out of it, where the decal's not flat. You can see that there's little pieces that's shrunk up and allowing water could get past it. And then if you look real close, you'll see little tattletales of like little bits of rusted water that show signs. So that's just, again, the tattletale. You know, this was the opposite corner, and this piece that's down here, as we pulled it off on the ground, because we're pulling everything off to save it, you can see again how rusted these screws were. So this is nothing intentional. This is nothing bad on the customer. This is nothing bad that, like, hey, he didn't know what he was doing or didn't maintain it. It's just water travels and it gets in there. And so that's why we recommend, you know, I think most manufacturers nowadays, I'm not familiar with which Grand Design does, but most manufacturers recommend to, you know, check and reseal as needed every 30 days. I know that sounds crazy. I guess it depends on your weather conditions and how much you're traveling with it. But I know Outdoors RV, they recommend it also every 30 days, or actually after every use. So anyway, stay tuned for more. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment, and check out our website, www.californiarvspecialist.com. We got a lot of good resources and information on there, stuff that we do, videos, articles, things that we write about, things that we're taking pictures on here in the shop to help you. And stay tuned for more.